Adversarial attacks exploit vulnerabilities in artificial intelligence systems by carefully manipulating inputs to deceive models into making incorrect predictions or classifications. These manipulations often involve subtle, almost imperceptible changes to the input data that remain undetected by human observers but are enough to push the AI model toward misclassification. By targeting and exploiting the decision boundaries within the model's feature space, attackers can create perturbations that are not only effective on the intended target model, but also transferable across different models trained on similar data. Such attacks can occur in both white box scenarios, where the attacker has full knowledge of the model architecture and parameters, and black box scenarios, where the attacker has no direct access but can still infer weaknesses through probing and observation, posing significant security risks. Adversarial attacks are a sophisticated form of manipulation where carefully crafted, subtle perturbations are added to input data with the goal of misleading AI models into making incorrect predictions or classifications. These modifications are often so minimal that they remain virtually undetectable to human perception, yet they can significantly alter a model's output. By exploiting the decision boundaries that separate classes within the model's learned feature space, attackers can design perturbations that not only fool a specific model, but are also transferable across different models trained on similar datasets. Such attacks operate effectively in both white box settings, where the attacker has full knowledge of the model's architecture and parameters, and black box settings, where the model is probed and weaknesses are inferred indirectly. Understanding these characteristics is essential for building robust AI defenses against such threats. Evasion attacks manipulate inputs at the inference stage to cause AI models to misclassify data, often through minimal yet highly effective perturbations. Common techniques include the fast gradient sign method, FGSM, which leverages gradient information to craft adversarial examples; deepfool, which iteratively perturbs inputs to cross decision boundaries; and the Carlini and Wagner (CNW) attacks, which create highly targeted, low visibility perturbations. In contrast, poisoning attacks target the training phase, corrupting datasets to embed vulnerabilities such as label flipping to mislead model learning or backdoor implantation to trigger malicious behavior under specific inputs. Prompt injection attacks exploit large language models by manipulating prompts to bypass safety measures, using methods like direct injection and jailbreaking to force undesired outputs. Adversarial attacks involve delivering inputs with carefully crafted minimal changes designed to achieve specific malicious objectives while remaining almost imperceptible to humans. Crafting these perturbations requires identifying a target system, such as image recognition models in autonomous vehicles, and exploiting its decision-making boundaries. A notable real-world example occurred in 2020 when researchers demonstrated that placing small, strategically positioned stickers on stop signs could cause autonomous vehicle vision systems to misclassify them as speed limit signs. This subtle alteration was invisible to human drivers, yet drastically altered the AI's interpretation, potentially leading to dangerous driving behavior. Such cases illustrate the severe safety risks posed by adversarial attacks and emphasize the urgent need for robust defenses to protect critical AI-driven systems from exploitation in real-world environments. Testing for adversarial vulnerabilities involves using a structured penetration testing framework to systematically assess AI system resilience. The process begins with reconnaissance, where testers gather information to identify potential weaknesses in the model's architecture, training data, or deployment environment. Next is the weaponization phase, which focuses on developing adversarial examples tailored to exploit these weaknesses. These crafted inputs are then delivered to the model during the execution phase, while testers closely observe and document any changes in behavior, such as misclassifications, bypassed safety mechanisms, or unexpected outputs. Detailed reporting follows, highlighting vulnerabilities and potential impact. Practical exercises often leverage tools like the Adversarial Robustness Toolbox for generating image or signal perturbations, and text attack for crafting malicious text prompts that can bypass safety filters, extract sensitive information, or manipulate outputs, providing actionable insights for strengthening AI defenses. Attack examples can be classified into distinct categories based on their method and stage of exploitation. Adding imperceptible noise to an image to cause a model to misclassify a panda as a gibbon is an evasion attack, as it manipulates inputs during inference to trigger incorrect outputs. Training a model on intentionally mislabeled data, such as labeling dogs as cats, constitutes a poisoning attack, which compromises the training process to embed long-term vulnerabilities. Embedding hidden or malicious instructions within prompts to manipulate large language model outputs falls under prompt injection, targeting the model's instruction following behavior to bypass safety measures or alter responses. Defensive countermeasures include adversarial training to increase model robustness, input sanitization to detect and filter malicious inputs, robust architecture design, gradient masking to obscure exploitable patterns, and runtime anomaly detection to identify suspicious behavior during operation.